This is the original General Levy once again alongside the big bad King Champion sound from Spire City, where we know no pity and the Spire girls them look pretty. Yeah, General Levy there alongside Convict Sound. Yeah, and you don't know so big of the marker all day. Engel, Pure Player, Sandra P, Master C, and Ganja Gunman. General Levy in session alongside Convict Sound. Yo, Germany, worldwide. What we tell them again now, star? So what? Convict them a dead dub champion. Go to my convict, them get the dub cup. Put on the tune! What we tell them again, Convict Sound? We got the man called All Day and Engel, alongside Pure Player, Sandra P, Master C, and Ganja Gunman. Yeah, man, original General Levy passing through again. Spire City, Germany to the world. I want to tell them again. So what? Like a train convict, come again, like a locomotive, and the main the fitter style, whatever you run and bring, pop off the stress, and I eat the same again, I release with chain, we're back on the main, like a lion from Zion, coming too wild for tame, I boy I pose up, and I go like them brave, them checking our name again, they're just the same, we're back on patrol, no time to afraid, the fittest, and the fittest, surviving this again, big we up, drop we down, but we bounce back again, boy, feel we carry them can't stay, again, like a train convict, come again, like a locomotive, and the main, the fitter style, whatever you blow them brain, pop over the stress, and I sound dead again, we back for the girl, them pleasure, everywhere we go, we the sound, them a pressure.